Hello everybody, this is Brad on YouTube, and this is a food review. It's from Nabisco. It's called Cinnamon Donut Chewy Chips Ahoy cookie. As I'm going to tip it over and see how that works. And I say Nabisco right here, and then there's a chewy cookie, and it's cinnamon and apple donut flavored chips. Those are the cookies. And I'm going to open it and see what I come up with. And that's what it looks like. I'm going to see what I can sample here. Good. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up. You can subscribe to my channel. And thanks for watching. I'll see you on my next video. Bye bye for now. Thanks for watching this video on YouTube. If you like the video on YouTube, give me a thumbs up. You can subscribe to my channel. And you can visit my blogs at any time. And my social media is included. And thanks for watching. I will see you on my next video. Bye for now.